Morning. Today I'm walking up to the StarLink dish where we have it mounted temporarily, because what I'm seeing is a lot of obstruction from the obstruction view in the app, but I don't think it's a tree that is obstructing it, although we have some trees right around. One of the major trees just lost all its leaves, and the other one is losing its leaves, so we shouldn't have all that amount of obstruction. And then the obstruction is kind of scattered right across the full view of the dish. So I'm going to take it down and take down the dish and clean it, because it has been kind of building up a lot of moss, and I think that is probably causing some of the obstruction that we're seeing. I've never heard anybody cleaning their StarLink before, so I'm not sure what to use and clean it, but I'm going to try to use just like a toothbrush, some dishwashing liquid, and water to wash it off, right? And I have a scouring pad as well, so I'll see how that works. Right, so here it goes. Let me show you what the dish looks like. Hope I don't fall. The dish looks like we've been getting a lot of rain, so this place is really slippery. Just give me a second. Alright, let me just flip the camera. This is where I'm walking. Oops. Oh, there I go. And this is the dish. I'm not sure if it. Oops. Dish pointing upwards. Oops. I'm gonna readjust the camera. This is the dish here. Not sure if you can. Mosquitoes, man. So that's the dish. The face of the dish. I'm gonna take it down and clean it quickly. Okay, just got it down. Actually fell. I mean the dish, the StarLink dish actually fell. So this is what it looks like. You can see the moss build up. So I'm gonna try and clean that now. Alright, so this is it. It's gonna be a difficult task to show what the cleaning is like, so I'm just gonna clean it up quickly and then show it after. It was actually easier to clean than I thought, so it just came off really quickly. So I mean, didn't get a chance to film it because where I'm standing is very difficult to film and also clean the surface. So that's done. What I'm going to do now is go back and reboot the StarLink and test to see what the obstruction is like. Of course, I have to reset the obstruction first and let it rebuild the obstruction map to see if I'm still seeing the same amount of obstructions as I was seeing before. It took longer than normal for us to build the obstruction map because it has been so rainy over the last few days, so we had to shut down the solar to conserve on energy because we're staying for 4 days. We just want to make sure that we have batteries to charge up things that we need to and have light and power when we need it. Morning. So yesterday, after I cleaned up the StarLink dish, I reset the obstruction metrics or data on the StarLink app and checked it this morning. It is really showing a massive difference in terms of the obstruction view. So there's a little part on it that's still showing some obstruction, which I know what that is. It's a tree that is just to the right or to the left of the dish when it's active. So this is where the tree is in relation to the StarLink dish. The plan is to relocate the dish on a better pole. I mean, this is just a temporary pole at this point. So we're going to relocate the dish to the other side of the tree, which should provide better results and at least give us some time before the tree gets a little taller and start to block the dish again. What we have been doing is just increasing the height of the StarLink dish to get over the tree, the young trees that are growing. So we have to relocate the dish. So in a couple of weeks that will be done.
I did a quick view of the obstruction map just before leaving, and I realized that there are some small areas of obstruction in the center of the map. So I'll check again before we actually relocate the dish.